Today, our crew is going to be replacing a broken hot water tank. In part 1, you will see our talented technicians remove the tank. Our crew is going to drain and disassemble the connections to the water tank to remove it from the home. The first thing you need to do is turn off the water lines leading to the old tank and begin to drain all of the water. Release any pressure that may have built up inside the tank and let it begin to drain. All of the connections to the tank will need to be removed. We will start that while the tank continues to drain. A new fitting has been installed. We will make sure that it is tight and does not leak. The tank is still draining. The tank is almost empty and the attachments have been disassembled. It's time to start getting the tank ready to be removed. Be careful removing the tank. Thanks for watching part 1 of this series, removing a hot water tank. Check out part 2 where we install the new hot water heater. Domino Fuel, your trusted partner for heating, cooling, and hot water solutions.